The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the Internet Wrestling Championship.
And here he comes. This is a big time opportunity, Byron, as the title will be on the line here. You're right, Michael, and judging from the response on social media heading into this match, we're likely to see a new champ crowned here tonight. Something good. It's a big fight feel here tonight as the title is on the line. And title matches like this have a way of getting your blood flowing, unlike any other match.
가끔은 뭔가 막막해. 내일 뭐 먹지 같은 고민만 가지고픈데 쉽지 않아. 짚을 때도 있겠지, 뭐 그런 날도 있겠지. 오늘의 나도 오늘 네 모습도 괜찮다면서 안 괜찮아. 뭐 그냥 그런 나대로 oh yeah. 살아도 괜찮잖아. 발 닦고 잠이나 푹 잘난다. 난 그냥 살아 아주 잘 살아. 난 그냥 살아 아주 그냥 잘 살아. 넌 내가 참 좋아. 고민은 태양 속에 날려버려 굿바이. 난 그냥 살아 별로 못 살아. 난 그냥 살아 사실 별로 못 살아. 뭐 근데 어떡해 다 그냥.
Introducing the challenger from South Korea, weighing in at 276 pounds, Go! And his opponent from South Korea, weighing in at 275 pounds, the Internet Wrestling Champion, Clown RG.
The challenger not taking their eyes off the championship.
And the champ is staring daggers right back at the opposition. Here we go with the title on the line. The stakes in this match really couldn't be any higher.
You can tell these superstars are ready to give their all to walk out of here the champion.
They might be limping out of here if this match is even half as intense as I think it might be. A sound suplex. Bam! Right to the back of the neck. That had to hurt. Right on the arm. Delivers the knee drop.
Ooh. Oh, man, right across the chest.
And this onslaught's really taken everything out of him.
He just doesn't seem to have any response right now.
Oh,
He scattered that one.
Opportunity now for him to capture some momentum.
But will that prove to be the chance he needs in this match?
He dodges out of danger.
Takedown. Rolls through. Oh, man. That was creative. Great athleticism. Precision knee. Isolating the arm. Tough hit to the legs.
The champ taking a bit of quick pin. Championship on the line. Lifts up the shoulder.
A little too soon for that cover to be effective, but he is making a statement by going for it at this point.
Fighting out. Laid out with a power slam.
Way up high, all the way down with an atomic drop.
The champ with the cover. Oh, somehow.
Still no end in sight here. Shot after shot, then slamming their face down.
And a drop kick. Picture perfect.
He's heading to the outside. Better watch for the referee's count.
To the face. What a redirect. Big clothesline. Boom. And a carefully measured knee drop.
Momentum is completely in his corner now.
He looks incessant.
The challenger really struggling to avoid major damage.
Yeah, you can see the physical cost of this match.
Dangerous stuff. Right to the face.
And now thrown back into the ring. He's climbing the turnbuckles to the top. Looking for something big here.
Oh, look out. Delivers the elbow. Oh, and soon we could be seeing a submission here.
A stump puller.
Payne just
Able to free himself from the agonizing submission.
And he continues to take
Hooked up.
driven down. The champ taking care of business here.
2. And they're still in this.
I don't believe it. How did the challenger survive that?
By the skin of their teeth. And don't expect the champ to start going easy on him now.
That was the home run shot that got robbed at the fence.
Boom! Thanks for coming.
Oh, what a kick!
Quick back elbow detours that offense.
Dueling reversals.
Incredible reversal into a deep rope step.
To the outside, tope con hilo.
Soaring out of the ring, looking to do as much damage as possible. Turns that away. Watch out.
German suplex.
Oh, man.
And this is a bad position for the champ to be in now.
Yeah, but this far into the match, you can't help but be impressed by the relative resilience.
Twists the arm and
This might be it.
And the count stopped short of 2.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank.
Boom! What a clothesline! Oh, look at this. Just cranking the head. That's gotta hurt. Ooh! Oh, what a club. The champ goes for the cover. Kick out! Kick out!
this match is getting pushed beyond the normal limits. Hooked up.
Driven down. The champ is in control.
2. A kick out. Simply refusing to let this opportunity slip away.
And who knows if there'll be another shot. Yeah,
Great trouble here. Can he get it fully locked in? Getting it cinched in.
One more. Trying to break out of this grip and is able to do it. Escapes the hold before irreparable damage is done. Hooked up. And boom! Has the jab pin. Is this it? Breaks the close count.
What do you have to do to put this guy away?
There they go.
Thunder!
Thinking of going high risk here. Top rope. Oh, hangover.
That's it. Those are the worst kind.
Shoulders down.
It has been a constant barrage from each of these competitors. Almost a hazardous amount of punishment has been dealt.
It's got to be concerning. Clearly, neither man is worried about their well-being.
And he's going to the top.
Taking flight. Saw that being telegraphed.
Spin kick to the midsection. Boom, what a clothesline.
This one's heading to the outside.
He's able to reverse it. Turns it around. Oh, what a drop kick.
On the mark.
Listen to this place. It's electric.
Oh, it gets put into the barricade. Boom!
Up they go. Oh, atomic drop. Sliding back into the ring.
He doesn't have much time to get back in the ring.
He got in. He got in. Just avoiding the ref's count.
Beautiful arm wringer applied. Leg lariat covered for the title. And he fights it off.
How this match is still going on defies all reasoning.
There they go. Rolling thunder. He's climbing to the top. Top rope.
Oh, hangover. Sucker.
And going for the pin. He kicks out somehow.
I can't believe it. We were a second away from a new champion.
Are we close to the start of a new reign?
This was the moment to capitalize on. That should have been the end.
Time to flip it.
Boom, switch.
Could that be enough to gain the title?
Looking for the pin. There he is. The champ has fallen.
Here is your winner, and new Internet Wrestling Champion, and go!
An exciting match that concludes with a title-changing hands.
The now former champion obviously not happy with this outcome.
I did not think a title change was in the cards here tonight.